And are you refreshed? Good. Now what?
I love this feeling of being around Abraham and the clarity and the worthiness, the love, the joy that I feel when I get to speak to you. It feels wonderful. My question today is about this idea of creating good habits. It seems to me that people that I admire, that have accomplished things that I look up to, for example, like when we talk about Esther's ability to stay consistent with her, whether it's her daily meditation or her focus wheels or positive aspects, it seems to be that she has formed these habits that keep her very, very grounded.
Not so much.
No.
It's that her desire to feel good keeps inspiring that behavior. She has a book. She likes those composition journals because they're flexible and she can fold the back of them back, and she always has one going. And she considers it, the actual object itself, like a dear friend that always promotes clarity within her. Because she knows every time she sits with it, it accomplishes that. And so she's going for the feeling. It's not a checklist that now I need to do that, and now I need to do that, and now I need to do that, in an attitude of discipline. It is purely inspired from wanting to feel good, and she knows it always accomplishes that.
Yeah,
we started to interrupt you a bit earlier when you were making your opening remarks, because you don't know, as you are acknowledging the behavior or what appears to be the disciplined behavior of another, from what vantage point it is inspired. In other words, you could say, and a lot of people want to say, do this and you'll feel this way. We're wanting to say, want to feel this way and it will inspire that. So that it comes from the vibration rather than trying to do yourself into alignment. Feel yourself into alignment, which inspires doing. And so then, for Esther, the journaling or the writing, it takes on a lot of different forms, but it's like entertainment to her. She then uses it as a way to allow the alignment that she has already accomplished to parlay into more momentum. And that's when true leading edge ideas flow to her about her work, about her life, about her properties, about her family and friends, the inspiration accomplished first.
For me, journaling comes very easily. I will write and write and write, and I can.
And why do you do it?
I just love
because it feels
flow.
good.
It feels really good.
So you're not doing it to make something happen.
No.
You're doing it because alignment has already happened, and this is a byproduct of alignment.
Right. But then there is a difference. For example, I love meditating, but I don't do it every morning. I journal every morning without thinking. Like as soon as I get up, I journal. But meditation is something I feel like it's a checklist. I need to meditate. I need to eat good. I need to.
The reason that meditation feels that way to a lot of you is because vibrations are abounding and you are very responsive to them. And most people would rather think even a negative thought than think no thought, because you think you're getting stuff done when you're in some sort of process. You'd rather think than not think. You'd rather do than not do. It comes from a flawed premise. It comes from a misunderstanding of what the true accomplishment factors really are. One who's aligned is more powerful and more productive than millions who are not. So if you're going to strike some comparison, strike the comparison between yourself and true masters who always find alignment and therefore inspiration and therefore are leading edge.